Welcome! Today we will see how to work with Milestones management in OTM Cloud. Milestones management is composed by a milestone template and some milestones. First, let us look at the online help to get more insight. A milestone template defines various milestones that control the creation and assignment of a milestone monitor to a business object, the events that a monitor will monitor, the definition of the events and action for milestones. This template controls the creation of milestones monitor and the type of business object that are assigned to the business monitor. The template also determines the milestones that are copied to each milestone monitor that is created. These milestones control how the system monitors specific event and perform action from a business object. Let us look at a live demonstration to see what it means. As a planner, I want to receive an alert when an event should occur but did not. You can see here I received plenty of emails. All those emails are for the same shipment. I configure an alert to be sent every 20 minutes when an actual date is not completed for shipment. When I click on the link in the email, I can directly open the shipment. All the shipment events are stored under the shipment, and you can find them under the Milestones Monitor event history. Let us look how to configure this and what is behind the scene. In Business Process Automation, Agent and Milestones template will be used to configure those events. You have to create a milestone template with a name and also assign a criteria to trigger this milestone. Here the criteria is shipment creation. Then you can assign multiple milestone monitor to monitor a specific event. In this configuration, I will monitor the estimated arrival time and I will trigger an alert, an email, to the user when there is a delay. You have to tick the time-based event on the right corner in order to get access to the time detail. On the time detail, you can select the based on event you want to monitor, and here it's the estimated arrival. The based on offset will trigger an event here 15 minutes before the estimated time of arrival. The time reset offset will trigger a frequency 20 minutes every time that the estimated time arrival is not completed. Then you can specify if you want to replicate for each stop, each equipment, each ship unit. You can also monitor successor milestones. Every time the milestone template will be triggered, here when the shipment is created, you will have a milestone monitor that will be created as well for the related object, here the shipment. When you open the milestone monitor, you will find all the milestones that will be monitored. Here is estimated arrival for all the stops of the shipment. If I go back to the shipment, I can control if I want to stop the process to be monitored. You can find here the milestone monitor that we were looking at just before. And from here, you can decide to deactivate the milestone monitor. In this example, I explain how to send email alerts, but of course, you can perform many more actions like cancel a tender or do any other actions that are available under OTM Cloud. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.